I was half as good at making videos as I was at making cars, well, we'd still be here, huh? I can't really do any modifications that require money, but you know what doesn't require any money? I'm just gonna unbolt the muffler. Hey, guess what? That bolt is probably like a 14 or a 15 millimeter, and guess what I didn't bring? Anything larger than a 12. All right, I got the right fucking thing now. And it's rusty as fuck. So I need to go get WD-40 or do something clever, which I am not. I'm not clever at all. I'm here for the third time with new and improved penetrating fluid. What the fuck is that? I've wasted about 30 seconds looking at Twitter and found nothing interesting. I'm kind of in a bad mood today, and I kind of know why, but you know, whatever. Oh my god. There we go. If at first you don't succeed, you're not pissed off enough. Oh my god. It's getting worse. Okay. So, the head of that bolt is totally stripped now. I've been thoroughly defeated. Well, to put it bluntly, the only way this thing is coming off is if it gets cut off. I was just saying how it was broke, but now I just spent all this money on actual 6-point sockets, which I was too stupid to realize I would need at some point. I went in there, bought the sockets like I said, opened them up, realized they're fucking the same 12-point socket, and you know what they fucking told me? They were like, oh man, man, 6-point sockets are kind of uncommon nowadays. It's gonna be kind of hard for you to find one. I'm like, are you serious? So, I've got a muffler, and I guess it's gonna stay that way. I'm about done with today. Apparently I can't do this simple thing. I can't remove 2 fucking bolts. That's all this was. It was just me trying to remove 2 fucking bolts. Can you guess what these are? I tried to make a video a while ago and failed. I rounded it off. Spoiler alert, it's the muffler. Yep, I am officially that guy. It looks really bad because I was too lazy to take the muffler off. But I have it hanging with a little piece of heavy gauge copper wire, which is the only thing I could find. But yeah, it's a little louder now, which is wicked.